Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rashid, and in this tutorial I will brief you that how you can calculate the average. And first of all, let me inform you the data, that what sort of data on which we have to working. Here is, you can see the name of the staff, and here are the sales of each individual staff. And I just want to check that what is the average for all the persons. For average is a individual indicator that what is the uh, key sale, what is the individual sale for every person, for all the shop, for all the staff, or for all the workstation. So here is the individual persons, and their sales are also there. So I want to just calculate the average. So there are two ways by which we can calculate the average. The first way is I just need to click the sales, okay, the full range of the sales, and it will show me that the sum is 945 and count is 6 and average is 157.7. it's the average, which is a indicator that it's a common point, it's a common sale, 157.5. okay, so if I want to calculate the average by formula, I just enter average, and I will select the range, and it will show me 157.7. so it's a way by which we can calculate the average, and it's a very basic thing, and it's also a mandatory. So the next thing is you just need to subscribe my channel, and I am always looking for the feedback, so kindly give me the feedback that what kind of working I'm doing. So your feedback is also necessary to if I want to evaluate myself. It's mandatory, your feedback is mandatory, so kindly give me your feedback. And this is all for this tutorial, and inshallah see you in the next one. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you.